All right, everyone, good to see you. Thanks for stopping by. Much appreciated. We're going to get to some more Springsteen. So, something that's probably more of the deeper cuts, deeper tracks within the catalog. On one of the albums, it's probably just not as either familiar or liked as much as a casual fan. To me, I think it's a great album. This is a great song. It is Soul Driver off of Human Touch. That Human Touch Lucky Town era, most people aren't into if you're just a casual fan because there was the argument is, there was no E Street Band. Well, you can make the argument that the E Street Band was on its way out for Tunnel of Love anyway. So that said, I think it's a great album, great song. So we're going to take a deeper look at this. Typically, the way I've played it over the years is without a capo, off that F sharp minor and the A for the most part. As I've played it more on the acoustic, I think it lends itself better to the a capo being on 2 because it's much less as far as the power chords go, and it's just easier on the fingers, basically. So we're going to do it this way, and you're going to see me tripping up on my fingers because I'm so used to not having the capo. There's a couple chords that still just kind of trip me up as I just play. And these are all open chords for the most part. I don't think any bar chords as we go through this. So, but it's going to be the shapes. E minor, G, C, D, A minor. And there might be an A. There's a suspended 2 in there, I think. Again, these are all shapes in relation to the capo. Where it is on 2. So let's get into it.
So we're coming in off of the this E minor. And the strumming pattern I tend to do is down, down, up, down. So make it your own, but that's kind of how I've worked on this. So the first 2 chords are going to be your E minor and the G, which is technically an E minor, an E minor and a G, but in relation to the capo, it's an F sharp minor and an A. But we're going to just call the shape though. So E minor, and I'll do a walk into that G chord. So open 2, 3 on that 6th string into the G. If you want, walk it back down to that E minor. Right, kind of see what we're doing there? So it's E minor. You don't have to walk it, just go right to the G, E minor. Alright, so the verses, we do that E minor, G, back to the E minor, to the G, C, A minor. Okay. So, I already screwed that up. So, the intro is a little bit different, so I should go back and do that. So, the intro, those 2 chords, right? Play it twice. That's your intro right there. The verse was starting off very similar. E minor to the G. Minor, G. Here we go. You were down. So C, A minor, E minor. Baby, let me to a D shape. And quite honestly, I hate that chord. With the capo here, it sounds if you're playing without the capo, it sounds much better because technically in pitch this is an E, but D shape. Right? When you're playing the full E up here, it just works much better. So if you're playing the electric guitar, think about not using the capo. Anyway, enough of me. So you. First part of the chorus, repeat. D. Alright, there's your verse and your chorus. We're going to repeat the verse again. Right, so right back to the to that C, A minor, E minor. Baby, let me be your soul driver. Now, keyboard solo comes in. All that is it's over just 2 chords. The E minor. I'm telling you, the capo's throwing me off. We'll get it. All right. Again, E minor. G. Now, what we're gonna do? We're just repeating the chorus basically. So where the guitar solo comes in. Now, so we're on the C. Now again, it's a guitar solo, but get that rhythm in your hand. All right, coming out of the solo, we're going into the bridge. Some chords are going to change up a little bit here, a little different, but you know, still pretty much in our wheelhouse here. Okay. Now, no one knows. All right, so those chords were A minor. The capo is really killing me, but it's going to be easier when you learn it this way. Okay, trust me. So no. That's an A suspended 2. Okay. Back to the A minor. All right, so that's the bridge right there. Those are the chords. We go right back into the, I think it's the 3rd verse there. And it just continues. The song just kind of continues from there with these different pieces. I hope I didn't screw you up too much because I'm so used to not having the capo, but on the acoustic guitar, it lends itself to the capo a lot easier because everything else would be power chords, or bar chords, I should say. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know. Let me know what else you'd like to hear. Subscribe if you haven't done so, or at least kind of go through the videos, like them. The more you like, I get an idea of what you do like, and I can make some other ones because the whole algorithm thing it actually works at times. So let me know, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.